everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having a variety of food. Yes, I am. I've got an all-rounder burger. This is all from Hook in Plumpton, the fish and chip shop that's there. So I got an all-rounder burger and a piece of fish, crumbed, no, battered. I don't even eat the crumb one. Battered fish, and then I've got chips, yellow chips, and I have prawn cutlets, one of my favorites from the fish and chip shop, and I got calamari rings, and today I thought I'd add in a Greek salad. Greek salad is like the best one because it has the olives. Guys, and my choice of drink today is a lemon tea. Do my ASMR. Look how I'm trying to make it sound really loud. Yeah. Okay. I better get my prayer going and then we will eat. Because it's on top of a lazy Susan. Okay. Okie dokie, here we go. Yep, prayer said. And I will put that over there. Yeah, I got a couple of wedges of lemon here. I know, just for decorations. Yeah, guys. Now, what's first? I'll try this piece of fish. Also, this will be... yeah, guys, so this is on a lazy season. So I might be doing a bit of movement. Yeah. Take a bite. I'm just doing its own thing. No, don't scare me out, mate. You know what? You have yourself. I know. Yeah, sorry, Susan. Why nga halo ka fik solo. Bye, guys. This is prawn cutlet. Our dog's having a little play. See? That'll teach you the lesson. You know when his master's saying, and people go past, he's going, beep, 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 beep. I have some salad. I like having my fish and chips with salad. Listen, neighbour. After I'm going to go outside, we're going to have a fight. Is it a lawnmower or aeroplane? Where's timing? The lawnmower. So, guys, calamari. Neighbour. Oh yeah, that's right. Because I was thinking, why are they home? They meant to be at work. Lockdown. Wow. For that, I forgive them. I don't have to go outside and pretend they fight them. You know what they say? You run outside to fight someone, and you come back with black eye. Mariana, what matter one? I got her some drumsticks instead of this because she likes drumsticks, especially from really. Red onion, tomato, and cucumber. Nice. This one. Might as well use it up, eh? So how's everyone? Hope you guys are good. It's been like cold nights here in Sydney. It was a beautiful day today, warm, sunny. So in the winter period, every time it's a nice day, you know, really sunny, the hotter it is, the colder the nights is. I know, being a weather girl. This is good. The shops today was so empty. Not many people. I feel sad for shops that stores that just open up, like they've just opened up and the COVID has the lockdown. It's sad. Sad for everyone, you know. As long as we have faith with the Lord and trust that He'll take care of us, we'll be all right. I love quick Greek salad. It's always nice with fish and chips. So I was on TikTok yesterday. This TikTok creator, his name is TJ Rock with it. Yeah. So he put up the story of one time he was at a drink up in the backyard. Anyway, so he talks about how that they all were having a drink up and people started leaving one by one, and then he was left with this one guy. He said he didn't know the guy, he didn't know who he was, but he started pouring out his heart to him, telling him all the things that was going wrong with his life, okay? And he said he was even crying and everything. Anyway, the stranger, he puts down his drink and then he looks at TJ Rockford and said, you know, Trev, you gotta stop effing feeling sorry for yourself. And then TJ Rockford said, he looked at him and thought, oh, you better choose your words carefully because the next thing you're gonna say, he's going to be throwing hands. He goes, so the stranger goes, Oh, okay. So what if you've been making, mistakes along the way? Either you learn from it or you just carry on repeating it. But don't act the victim. Yeah, because that guy said to him, if you don't like your life, change it. Sometimes, guys, sometimes like, okay, this DJ guy, he was going through a hard time, obviously, because he was pouring out his heart and he was crying. So obviously there was something going on with him. He just needed that one ear to listen to him. And maybe he was looking for comfort, but the guy he was talking to was just going to blatantly give it to him. Just give it to him. Because this is a straight shooter. And sometimes in life, this is who we need. Someone to tell us straight. Not someone to say, oh, no, because we're still going to be acting the victim. But this guy said, don't act the victim. Because, see guys, sometimes you're going through a hard time. And yeah, sure, we want to hear the, oh, but we want to hear the straight truth as well. No babying, because you're going to continue on acting like a victim. But if you hear the hard truth, it's going to either wake you up or you're going to be close-minded and don't want to take advice. But Rockcliffe said that was a wake-up call for him. And he can never forget those words. See, guys, I believe in this. Sometimes God puts the right person at the right time for you. And this stranger was there for this TJ Rockcliffe guy. Look him up on TikTok. Yeah, so look him up on TikTok, guys. TJ Rockcliffe. And his story, he's wearing a hoodie. So if you're on TikTok, go and follow him. I left the comments to him and I said, oh, it's good. It was nice that he told that person his story. Because you don't want to hear the pity talk. You want to hear the straight truth. And this guy, the stranger guy that told him what he told him, he's probably been through it. And he knows enough is enough. Don't act a victim. If you don't like your life, change it. Make a change. Make a change for the better. Because obviously, he's done it this way, that way, and it's not working out. So, that guy saying what he said, he can overlook what, he can research where did he go wrong, and then he can make a change with it. That's same with all of us, in our lives. What do you think? Anybody take a bite? Guys, and if you go over and follow him on TikTok, if you haven't seen him already, you let him know that I said hello. Because I like what I saw, and I thought to myself, you know what? I'm going to share stuff that I see that's very touching to me on my story time. So guys, on his story, I shared it with you guys because that is like very touching. See, I'm talking and I'm forgetting my food. Look what a bit. The paper just don't. Okay. So I got lettuce, tomato, beetroot, meat patty. I got a bit of bacon, cheese. I don't know what sauce they put in, but pretty tasty. It's called an all-rounder burger. Guys, my sisters and my brothers, sometimes they will say things about me, which is true. And one of them being that I tell it straight to them. Yeah, I do. Because they're my siblings, I feel. And then, because I love them, I'm going to tell them how I think. And if they take it, good on them. I hope it works. Because I always think, you know, God knows I love my siblings. So I'm going to tell them the truth. I ain't going to tell them what I think they need to hear, like soft talk and, you know, beating around the bush. No, I'll tell it straight to them. And they know that. I'll tell it out like it is because they're my siblings. If they're not going to hear the truth, we're not going to hear the truth from one another, you know. Oh, but for this DJ guy, he had the right stranger to tell the story too. He might have told his mates, and oh, come on, man, you know. But no, this guy said, you know what? Stop effing feeling sorry for yourself. What would have thought? Yeah, you better choose your words properly, man. But, you know, guys, no. Sometimes listen to their advice. You don't know behind those stern words is the right words. Yeah. So I always tell my siblings straight what they need to hear. I'll tell it because I love them. I tell it because I care for them and I don't want anything to go wrong with them. And I hope that God always looks after my siblings and everyone else, even you guys. But that's how I do it. I don't like to, you know, beat around the bush. Sometimes they don't like how I'm too frank. But what am I going to do? Tell them lies? Make up something that might not benefit them? No. To me, tell it because you love them. You know what's nice about it? With the beetroot inside, be quiet. With the beetroot inside, because it's sweet, it's sort of, because the bacon's pretty salty, so it helps ease the amount of salt. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. You guys are so good. I see you guys commenting other people's videos and that. It just makes me smile. It just makes me smile to know how supportive that you guys are. Thank you very, very much. May God bless you guys and your family as well. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and keeping me company. Got my mum over there, but I don't want to say too much to her. She might call me a bottle to a voice again. Yep, I have 2 birthday shout out, guys, and that's for Teresa Fonati, who turned 60 on Monday, and then I have another birthday shout out for her granddaughter who turned 21 yesterday on Wednesday, Kathleen. Oh, 21, girl. Oh, you're so lucky. Oh, I wish I was 21. But hey, it's okay. We've lived our life. Praise the good Lord. But happy birthday, Teresa, and your granddaughter, Kathleen. God bless.